Look at that, Prax client has been injected. Now what if you use Fate client injector, click on inject, it says process found, everything is all good, except it doesn't actually inject, or Minecraft just completely crashes, right? Well, what do you do then? Well, there's actually a fix tutorial on that down in the description for the ones of you who are experiencing that error. Also, that error is not going to be solved by using the custom Prax injector, so I still don't recommend using it. Alright, now I'll just head into a random Minecraft world right here, and briefly show you guys how to use this. If you want a full in-depth tutorial, then let me know down in the comments, and I will make that. Anyways, here we are inside of Minecraft, and let's get right in. So, to work with this client, you can actually open up the hack or utility menu by pressing on the insert button on your keyboard. Take a look at this. Doesn't that look incredibly clean? Anyways, if you can't find the insert key or just want to rebind it in general, well, then you can actually go into the chat, type in .bind, just like this, then click GUI, and then just whatever key you want. For example, F. And now, as you can see, successfully bound, click GUI to F, which means that whenever I click on F, it'll open, and then I can click on F again to close it, as you can see. Anyways, there are a few things here, and I'm going to walk through them. So, basically, to enable something, you can, as you can see, click on it, and to disable it, you can click on it once again. You can see if that things are enabled by this highlighted white color right here. And now some of these, as you can see, are enabled by default, and you can just disable them. So this IRC is Internet Relay Chat, which allows for communication to other users. As you can see, whenever you hover above these, there are little descriptions that pop up, right? So let's say I don't want that, which maybe not all of you do. Well, it is enabled by default, but as you can see, I can just click on that to disable it. Same with if I close this, as you can see in the top left and top right hand sides, there is an array list as well as a Prax logo. I can once again open this up, and I can turn off the HUD as well as the watermark and the array list, and take a look at that. They are now all gone. So if I didn't like them invading on the space I can see on my screen, well, then you fix that right now. Now, of course, you can turn them on again once if you wish. What the array list basically does is it displays all currently enabled utilities. Now, as you can see, a lot, or really most of these have a plus, which means that you can not only left-click on them to enable them, but you can also actually right-click on them, and that'll allow for some customization. As you can see, some have more customization than others. Wow, for example, Scaffold has a surprising amount of customization. So basically, that is how to use that. You can customize them to configure them to, for example, bypass specific anti-hacks and stuff like that. However, that's really all up to you how you use that. There's also a settings button in the bottom right-hand side over here, which is going to allow you to change some settings for the click GUI, as you can see, allowing you to enable, for example, the RGB. There's some miscellaneous settings, size, font, and colors.